Check out this Jeep 2015 Grand Cherokee Laredo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.